Hey, hi everyone. Okay, so today's question is let's say we have this student data. Okay, we are having student name and marks of that student like Ramesh 59, Suresh 61, Rakesh 65, Rajesh 54, John 51. Okay, so the question here is we need to find or we need to select, let's say we need to select the students based on the let's say eligibility criteria, so that eligibility criteria we will be taking as an input, or let's say from the user. Okay, so based on that we need to select only those students. Let's say if we are saying we need students greater than 60 marks, so who are 60 greater than 60? It's Suresh 61 and Rakesh 65. Okay, so only these two we should be having as selected students. So let's write this. Okay, so we will say let's say the function name select student. Okay, and here we will pass this student data. Okay, and the other we will be taking as input from the user for the eligibility criteria, right? So let's say given let's say minimum marks. Okay, so what we will do, so if you see, this is a type of dictionary which is having key and value, right? So in that case we need to iterate over this given dictionary so that we can get the only the eligible students, okay, or who fits in the criteria. So what we will do, we will iterate over this students data. What? Okay, so we will say for, since it's a key value, so we will say key comma value. Okay, to better understand, let's say student comma mark in student data. We will say dot items in. Then what we will do, we will check if marks greater than this minimum marks. Okay, then what we will let's say print uh, let's print it as uh, student name, right? So name is student, so say student. Okay, and let's say marks. Okay, yeah, that's it. Let's call this function select student and pass this student data and the, okay, we need to take the input, right? So we say, let's say eligibility criteria equals to uh, let's take the input from the user. We will say enter eligibility criteria, and then we will pass this. Yeah, since it's string, let's cast this integer and pass this eligibility criteria. Let's run and see. Okay, so let's assume we are putting the criteria as 60, so we should be only getting Suresh and Rakesh only. Okay, so if you see Suresh 61 and Rakesh 65. So these are the selected students. Okay. So, yeah. Thank you.